We will create a 2D gear using AutoCAD. So first, let's start with a circle with its center at the origin and a diameter of 1.5 or a radius of 0.75. So next, let's create a 2 offsets of this circle with a measurement of 0.25. So next, let's create an array of circle with an array of circle that was about 1.8 inches away from the origin or the center of the smallest circle. The number of array of circles would be 8.
Also, its radius must be 0.375.
Create another circle with a radius of 2.6 and another offset of this one, also with a measurement of 0.25. Next would be another circle with a radius of 3.12. So using the largest circle, we're going to create a gear tooth-like design.
So let's start with a vertical line with a length of 0.2. Next would be 2 horizontal lines on each side of this vertical line with a length of 0.1 inches each.
Create a diagonal line from this point, angle of about 120 degrees, and on the other side with an angle of 60 degrees, or you can just mirror this figure. Then trim all unnecessary lines. Create an array of this figure with 28 items. Please remember that the type of array to be used is polar array.
Create a line that connects these two endpoints.
And another polar array of that line, and also with an item number of 28. So next, let's create the dimensions of this figure. So I'm going to create a layer for dimensions with red in color. Okay. And from this center of the circle, it must have a measurement of about 1.8. Let me just modify some of the measurements. Let's create a precision to 3 decimals. So again, from the origin up to this one, it must have a measurement of 2.6. And next, from this point and origin, it must have a measurement of 3.1. So let me just create some extensions. Okay, let's check if the measurement is 120 degrees, and it's correct. So next, let's create a vertical line with a length of 0.75. So these two lines must be half an inch away from each other. So next, let's create another figure with a height of 0.5 25, and a distance of 0.5. So next, trim all unnecessary lines and figures. So going back with dimensioning, this line must have a measurement of 0.25, and this and their distance from each other must be 0.5. So next, this circle must have a diameter of 1.5, and this array of circles must have a radius of 0.375 or a diameter of 0.75.